My name is Jason Neff, and our business Mission Bell has been around since 1959. Today we employ roughly 250 people. We have an install team of about 50, a shop of 60 to 70, and then 24 engineers and a bunch of other folks that help support the business. We started out with Lotus 123, which preceded Excel, and then evolved into Excel for doing our work. Our own internal database allowed us to do kind of rudimentary scheduling, but it was very disconnected from the organization and a lot of the functions within the organization. And we needed more real-time information and data to make better business decisions. We saw a demo of INNERGY. Between the time the discussion started and we signed was 2 months. And then from when we signed to implement it was 4 months, so we moved quickly. We did a big import of all of our projects that were in our old system. One thing that we really tried to do was not necessarily duplicate exactly what we were doing in our old system and try to mimic that in INNERGY. So there were some changes made along the way to our standard work and kind of going down the best practice path. The key is to get that team together, to get everyone's buy-in and to really communicate clearly. But I think the education part of it is a big reason why we were also able to get on board in 4 months and do the implementation in 4 months, because there's clear information, tutorials, all that is there for everyone to access. Forecaster and the Bottleneck Report are huge for us to be able to see what we have coming up, understand how we need to plan to execute that. It's allowed us to see what we have and see the holes that need to be filled so that we can quickly respond and ensure that we're working on the right things, the right work orders at the right time. It's really exposed a lot of those things and helped us plan better, plan much better than before. We made the decision to expand into life sciences, so we're going in Division 11 and 12, and we have some really fantastic partnerships. INNERGY gives us the ability to see and forecast that revenue, but also help us plan for the future, plan for the team that we need to be able to run and support that work.